You clicked on this video because you want a Notion second brain that actually works for a normal person. You're in the right place. But first, we have to break a bad habit. Your brain is not a computer hard drive. It is designed to create ideas, not store them. Trying to memorize everything is exactly why you feel so overwhelmed. In the next few minutes, we are going to build a simple, foolproof safety net in Notion that remembers everything for you, so your actual brain can finally relax. Most beginners try to build complex databases on day 1 and quit by day 3. We are avoiding that completely. To build this safety net, we are going to create just 2 simple pages. Let's do it together right now. Step 1. Create your inbox. Click Add a Page and name it Inbox. This is your universal dumping ground. Whenever you have a random thought, find a helpful article, or need to save a link, put it here. It doesn't matter if you are sitting at your Windows 11 desktop or out grabbing coffee checking things, just open the Notion app and dump it in the inbox. Do not organize it, just capture it. Step 2. Create your projects. Make one more page and call it My Projects. This is where you list whatever you are actively doing in your life right now. It could be planning a vacation or learning to cook. Just make a simple list of your current focuses. Now you have your inbox and your projects. But if you stop here, your Notion will still become a messy graveyard. Here is the one weekly habit that ties it all together. Once a week, sit down at your computer, look at your inbox, and just drag your messy notes into the matching project. Let me show you exactly how this looks in the real world. Imagine you find a great recipe online while you're on your phone. You send the link straight to your Notion inbox and forget about it. A few days later, you sit down at your computer. You open your inbox, see the recipe, and drag it right into your meal prep project. You didn't use any confusing code. You didn't build a complex database. But the next time you go to cook, your recipe is sitting exactly where you need it. The system just did the heavy lifting for you. Building this inbox and project system is the first step to clearing your mental clutter. But what if you are still feeling a little unsure about navigating the rest of the software? If you want to master the basics without getting overwhelmed, click the video on your screen right now to watch Notion tutorial for beginners. It's easier than you think. I'll see you there.